Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So XRP is currently moving up in a corrective fashion. This is not yet an impulse, at least I don't think so. I mean, we talked about coming down, that it's basically happened what we talked about, right? That it came down to this yellow support area. When I initially gave you this structure here, I talked about this possibly being a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, that I would expect further upside. That normally in a wave 2 you would expect a stronger retracement, but due to the fact that we have this larger triangle here and this yellow ascending trend line, I could very well believe that we get a bounce from the 38.2% retracement as you have a confluence of support here. So that happened. So we could at the moment assume carefully that the C wave was in end 2, but it's too early to confirm it. The move up doesn't look reliable yet. The problem that we have here is two things. That if we talk about further upside, which is expected, then there's two things that will give us more confidence. The first is that we actually will break, first of all, a break above the B wave high here. That is at 35.2, so we haven't managed to do that yet. We tried to break it 3 times, but we failed. So that doesn't give a lot of confidence yet that this move up has started yet. The next is the move above 35.5 cents. The move above the wave 1 high needs to take place. That also hasn't happened yet. And then at least if we were at least seeing here on the lower time frame in this third wave at least an impulse, but this is not an impulse. I mean, I can if I want to, and there's always a bullish interpretation, right? But I could one second, let me think. I mean, I could say we are now starting that wave 3 to the upside, yeah, and then this would be a wave 1, this would be a 2, this would be a 3, 4, 5, but again, you now have here the problem that the wave 3 wasn't long enough for an impulse. In an impulse, you're looking for the 1.618 FIB extension, and it reached the 1.236. That's actually the bare minimum for a wave 3. The problem that you often get then, that you get an overlap between wave 4 and 1, which is an impulse not allowed. So at best, it's now a leading diagonal, basically the first wave of the third wave. But then we would need, for clarification, one more wave up. Otherwise, I will not believe it, because at the moment we have 3 waves down, we have 3 waves up, and that makes us assume that the low is actually not in yet. And if it is, I need to see 5 waves for proof. And if we get those 5 waves up, then let me just show you. So basically 5 waves up, it would then be a wave 1. Then we would get a wave 2 retracement. This could be an entry point for a higher price. But at the moment, yeah, this is still ambiguous here, not a very clear pattern, and therefore I'd be extremely careful here at the moment. Yeah, we do not really have evidence yet that this has started to break out in any way. Let me think if there's anything else here to say. I mean, the move down is in 3 waves, yeah, so we could even say, just thinking, well, we could even say, yeah, that we started a wave 1 up. So this move down is in 3 waves. We moved up in a wave 1, we came down in an ABC, that's fine. We also have in the C wave 5 waves down, so we can technically count it as complete. But what's currently happening here doesn't give me a lot of confidence. So either this is some kind of a 1-2, but then you have your overlap here, yeah, 1, 2, 3, ABC, yeah. What I need to see very clearly is at least one more wave up, and then we can talk that this is already going up. Until then, there's still too much downside pressure on the chart, and there's still the increased risk that all that was so far was just an A wave, this the B wave, and we will come down once more in C. That is still a realistic possibility as long as the B wave isn't breaking above the wave 1 high, and as long as this move looks so corrective, and it's a clearly 3-wave move. So this is really all of, in terms of update I want to give you today, because I have to catch up on the other coins. A lot happened in the crypto market. XRP doesn't reflect it yet, and that's maybe because we haven't completed this correction yet in the C wave. So I'm definitely going to pay attention to this. Not saying this couldn't go up further from here, but then to see proof I need that 5th wave, and then the following retracement would give more confidence, because then this could be counted as a leading diagonal to the upside as a first wave within a third wave. Okay, and that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.